Whales, I think, are very special and important ambassadors of the ocean. They are a keystone species, so they are representative of the health of the ocean, and I think they're also representative of caring for the ocean and how people should care for the ocean, because there is really a connection between humans and whales. They have language, they have culture. They have intelligence, they have the mothers taking care of the babies for long term like we are. So I think that the whales are very important for the ocean. One of the main things I've been working on now is tagging humpback whales and then doing what's called a playback experiment, where I'm putting what's called a whale pinger into the water to try to keep whales away from the fishing nets. So we are playing the pinger sound to the tagged whale while the tag is recording all the different behaviors. So the main reason for trying to see if the pingers are something useful for fishers is so that the whales will not swim through fishing nets, and that is better for the whales and of course better for the fishers using the nets as well. The entanglement in fishing gear is actually the leading cause of human-induced mortality in whales, dolphins, and porpoises. So a high number of them die or are seriously injured. And in Iceland, from my PhD project, it was determined that 25% of humpback whales have been entangled in fishing gear at least once in their life.